Good morning, OHS teachers. This is Angie. I have been uploading Friday PD information and updates for you in a PLC group, and it was brought to my attention this morning that a lot of you were not getting the videos and the updates. So let's work on that. On the top of your Schoology tabs, I'd like for you to click on groups. The one that I'm talking about is the Professional Learning Community Group, OHS PLCs. If you click on that, each Friday that we have had slideshows for PD, I have updated those in case you're absent for any reason. In this group last week, I posted a few videos on how to add a student resource kit to your Schoology courses. Many of you did not know it was there because you don't have your notifications turned on for this group. I recommend when a group content is created that you are notified. I'm really the only one that's adding content. And so if I'm adding something new, you will get a notification for that. If you want notified if you have any other things here, once you click Group Content Created, go ahead and save changes. The first two videos will walk you through how to add the Student Resource Kit into your Schoology courses. The fast track way to find that Student Resource Kit is from within this PLC group. If you click Resources, it is the first one you see here. By going back to Updates, you can actually view the videos showing you how to get that folder into your Schoology courses. Please take some time today to take a look at that. And I will also be adding in how to change the images on your Schoology courses. Have a great Monday.